Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lauren and this week I'm going to be showing you how I turned this floral hipster shirt into an asymmetrical button-up skirt. So let's get to it. I started by unpicking all the seams as usual, so I was left with two front pieces, a back piece and the sleeves. I started by removing the top of the back piece of the shirt and cut a straight line below the two sleeve holes. I measured my waist and halved it and then added about 10 centimeters on and cut away the extra fabric from the rectangle that I was left with. I then unbuttoned my two front pieces, so I was ready to add this onto the back section of the shirt. I measured and marked the exact length of my waist, so I didn't risk making the skirt too small. I layered one of the front pieces of the shirt on at a slight angle and the other piece over the top, so it was the same length as the back piece, and I allowed there to be some overlap in the two front pieces. I made sure that the front piece of the skirt that was going to be underneath was the one with the buttonholes. This meant that they weren't going to be seen and I didn't have to re-hem that piece of the skirt. Once I was happy with how the pieces were laid out, I sewed both pieces right sides together and then cut off the extra fabric. I wanted to add an elastic waistband to the back section of the skirt. I used 3 scraps of fabric to create the waistband. I created the back piece of the waistband first, as I needed it to be the right height to fit my elastic through. I then sewed the wrong sides together, inserted the elastic using a safety pin, and sewed the ends to secure the elastic in place. I measured my two front pieces of waistband to the same height as the back piece and then folded them in half and sewed a straight line all the way along the bottom of the two edges to make them into tubes, and then joined all 3 pieces together with the elastic piece in the middle. Once the 3 pieces had become one piece, I laid it right sides together to attach the skirt. I didn't actually lay mine right sides together, and then I had to spend half an hour unpicking and resewing, so double check that it's right sides together. I did a double roll hem on the edges of the waistband to seal them off and secure them. I wrapped the skirt around my waist to work out where I needed to place my buttons to hold the whole thing together. I have one button on the inside attaching to the bottom front piece on the top piece, and then I have 4 buttons that go along the front side of the skirt. I'm really pleased with how this skirt's turned out. The fabric's a little heavier than I would have liked, but I think it works okay and adds some structure to the skirt. I decided to add the shirt pocket onto the back of the skirt as I thought it would be a cute detail, and also since this is a thrift lift, I've just reused the buttons from the shirt. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to check out my channel, and if you want to see more, please hit subscribe. I post weekly on a Saturday. And with that, I'll see you next week. Bye!